So I had someone on my video comment about not being able to find where the factory reset is when you're trying to reset your SuperBox, especially when your internet connection is not working. So I'm just going to show you real quick. So if you look down in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see that little button that looks like a gear. We're going to click on that, and you want to click on Device Preferences, and at the very top, you're going to see About. If you click down, you'll see Factory Reset. That's where you find it. So you click that, and it will factory reset your entire system. And once you're done resetting your entire system, it'll reboot. And then you have to go through all the steps. So once you do the factory reset, the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to hit your little back arrow button there. It'll take you out of the system. Or you can just hit the home button, which is right there. Now remember, this is if your SuperBox is not getting the internet. And again, some systems may be different. This should work for most boxes. We have an S5 Max, and this worked perfectly for us. So now that you know how to do the factory reset, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click the little gear icon in the corner, and then you want to click Apps. Now, you'll see on mine, because I've already corrected mine, you will notice it says Launcher X. Once we get done with this video, you should be able to have that back. Now, mind you, once you do the factory reset, you should be able to get your internet connection back. You should no longer be having that internet issue where it will not connect to your Wi-Fi name, which is what was the issue that I was having. So now, once you scroll down, you want to click on See All Apps. You want to click on See All Apps, then you want to scroll down to Chrome. You want to click Chrome. You want to scroll down to Permissions. Once you click Permissions, you will see Files and Media. You want to click on Files and Media. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is there's two little buttons for you to click on. One says Allow Only While Using. That's the one you want highlighted, because once you do the factory reset, don't allow automatically default. So once you click that little blue button right there, you have given Chrome permission to download things to your SuperBox. So again, then you want to hit the home button or the back button. Now you're going to go into your browser. See where it says browser? You want to click browser. Now this is going to take you to Chrome. It's probably going to ask you for an email, a Gmail account, which is what I had to use. So I used my Gmail account, and you'll have to enter all the stuff manually. So what you're going to have to do is on your remote, you got a little button over here. This is your mouse button. You see where my thumb is pointing. You want to push that button and get this into mouse mode, because you're going to have to use your cursor, as you can see, to type in the web address. So once you get your cursor up there and you click it, it will bring up a search or type web address. And that's where you're going to type in the address. But the main thing you want to do at this point is you want to go out of mouse mode, click it again, and it will then allow you to be able to manipulate the keyboard down below. So just be mindful, once you click while you're in mouse mode to the search bar, you're going to have to then go out of mouse mode, hit the button again, and you're going to have to go down here and start typing in what I said to type in. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, dot 3, 2, 1. .cc. Now once you get that typed in, you want to go over and click go, and you should get this screen. Now once you have this screen, you're going to want to go back into mouse mode, because now you have to move your cursor. So click the little mouse mode button, as you can see, and then you're going to move your mouse and you're going to click on it. Now in this case, since I've already done this process, I'm not going to redo it again. So I'm going to walk you through what you need to do. So once I clicked on it, you notice it says at the bottom, download. So what you want to do is you want to stay in mouse mode, move your cursor down to where it says download. Once you click download, it's going to ask you, it's going to download it, and you'll see prompts. You want to install it. Once you install it to your SuperBox, then you're going to exit out of here and you're going to go back to your app store. Let me get out of mouse mode here. You're going to go back to your app store, and then your app store icon will be there like you see mine. And that's where you go in and you add all your apps that you want on your specific SuperBox, like you can see here. But when this happened to us, we literally had just the two right there where it said Play Store and Add, because we couldn't get our internet to connect. So I don't know how often you're going to have to deal with this with your particular system, but I like a lot of people, I watched a lot of videos and a lot of them didn't help me, but this one actually helped me. So now you know how to do a factory reset, which is going to factory reset your entire system, and then just follow the steps you just watched me do in this video. Factory reset. Next thing you're going to do from there is you're going to go to the little gear icon, and then you're going to click on apps and then see all apps, and then you're going to go to Chrome, and then you're going to allow Chrome as you saw me do. And then once you do that, you're going to go back out, then you're going to go to your browser. Your browser is going to ask you through Chrome for an email address or a Gmail address. Just enter your Gmail address. If you don't have one, create one. And then once you get your Gmail address done, you're going to type in that 123.32158.cc. And I can't remember if there was a dot in between. I think it was 123.321. Again, it's in the video. But then after you do that and get that done, then you'll exit out of that. It'll ask you if you want to download the App Store. Then you download the App Store, and it'll download it to your SuperBox, and you go back in to, you then hit your home button. It'll take you back to this screen here. Hit your home button. It'll take you back to this screen here. And then once you get back to this screen here, you just go to the App Store, and then you'll be able to add all your apps that you had before all the crazy started happening. So again, hopefully this was helpful. Talk to you guys later.